Imagine spending hours programming a CNC part. You verify every toolpath. The simulation looks flawless. No collisions. Perfect dimensions. Smooth tool movements. Everything appears ready for production. You confidently press cycle start expecting a perfect component. But a few minutes later, you hear chatter. The surface finish looks rough. Dimensions drift out of tolerance. The tool wears faster than expected. And suddenly the perfect simulation no longer matches reality. So what happened? If CNC simulation predicts everything, why do real machining problems still occur every day? The answer lies in the huge gap between virtual machining and real-world manufacturing. Today, we are exploring the biggest differences between CNC simulation and reality and why understanding them can save you time, money, and expensive mistakes. The simulation illusion. Modern CNC simulation software is incredibly powerful. It can verify toolpaths, detect collisions, estimate cycle times, visualize material removal, and help programmers identify errors before cutting actual material. For beginners, simulation often feels like the final proof that a job will succeed. But simulation operates inside a perfect digital world. Machines are perfectly rigid. Tools are perfectly sharp. Materials behave predictably. Temperatures stay stable. Nothing vibrates. Nothing wears out. Nothing unexpected happens. Reality is very different. Feeds and speeds. Workpiece flexibility. Spindle dynamics. Chatter damages surface finish. Accelerates tool wear. Reduces accuracy. And sometimes destroys expensive components. Digital models cannot always predict these complex vibration patterns. Real machines experience them every day. Difference number 6. Human factors. Simulation doesn't account for every human variable. An operator may install a tool incorrectly. A fixture may not be tightened properly. Offsets may contain errors. Coolant nozzles may be misaligned. Material may be loaded incorrectly. These seemingly small mistakes can dramatically affect results. The simulation can only evaluate the information provided. Reality includes people. And people introduce variables software cannot fully predict. The smart approach. Does this mean simulation is useless? Absolutely not. Simulation is one of the most valuable tools in modern manufacturing. It prevents crashes, improves programming confidence, reduces setup time, increases efficiency. But successful machinists understand one critical principle: simulation is a guide, not a guarantee. The best manufacturers combine digital verification with real-world experience. They monitor tool wear, check dimensions frequently, control heat, optimize work holding, listen for chatter, and continuously adjust based on actual machining conditions. That's where true precision comes from. As CNC technology advances, digital twins and AI-powered machining systems are becoming more accurate every year. Some modern systems can predict tool wear, thermal growth, and machine behavior in real time. Could future simulations become nearly identical to reality? Or will manufacturing always contain variables that only experience can detect? The answer may shape the future of machining. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more CNC machining insights. And tell us in the comments, what was the biggest difference you've ever experienced between a CNC simulation and the actual machining result. Your experience might help another machinist avoid a costly mistake.